Good morning. My name is Nur Afifatul Galamah. I graduated with a Bachelor of English Education from Indonesian Education University in 2022 with a GPA of 30.74. I'm currently working as an English teacher at SMP Minhaj Rashidin in Jakarta, where I have been teaching since 2022. I have 3 years of experience teaching during high school students, focusing on interactive grammar lesson. So, for more details on my resume. Okay, now here I will explain about my resume and explain the section on how to make a resume. You must pay attention it for making better. First, personal information. This section contains basic details about the candidate to help recruiters identify and contact them easily. Full name, and then address SMP Minhaj Rashidin, Jalan Raya Pendidikan nomor 123 Jakarta, Indonesia. Phone number, email, and link. Purpose facilitates direct communication and provides an additional identity reference. Professional summary. This is a brief description of the candidate's key experience and skill related to the job applied. Dedicated English teacher with 3 years experience in children health education, specializes in interactive grammar lesson for first year students, including translation, there is lesson planning, and student engagement through games and stories. Committed to improving language skills in Indonesian SMP context. Purpose gives recruiters a quick overview of the candidate's expertise and focus. And then education. List relevant academic background, including degree, institution, and graduation year. Example, Bachelor of English Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Bandung, Indonesia. Graduated 2022. So the purpose shows the educational qualifications supporting the candidate's suitability for the position. And then professional experience. Details previous or current jobs with responsibilities and achievements. Example, English teacher at SMP Minhaj Rashidin, Jakarta, develop lesson plans on grammar topics like translation, juris, or jara for grade 7 students. Created interactive games and evaluation rubrics to increase student engagement. Manage classroom activities to keep students creative and reduce burden. Of skills, it means classroom management, student assessment. So the purpose clarifies the candidate specific competencies, the support job responsibilities. And the last, certification. So the purpose for professional experience is demonstrates relevant work experience and skills related to the role. And then skills highlights both technical and soft skills the candidate possesses. Example include grammar instruction, tenses, sentence structure. Teaching tools, it's been lesson planning, Google Slides, interactive games. Language, English fluent, Indonesian native. List certification that add professional value and credibility. Certification online course 2000 2023. So, organizing a resume into this section helps present information clearly and systematically, allowing recruiters to quickly understand the candidate's background and potential. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will explain about my request letter, and I'll explain the section on how to make a request letter. There are 9 parts that we must pay attention to it. The first, sender's address. The sender's address such as SMP Minhajul Rasyidin, Jalan Raya Pondok Gede, nomor 123 Jakarta, Indonesia 12450 with phone blah 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 and email, and then appears at the top right. Its purpose is to provide the recipient with clear contact information for responses and establish the letter's origin. And the second date, the date number 28 2025 is placed below the sender's address. It occurs when the letter was written, ensuring timelines and aiding in tracking correspondence. And then recipient's address. This includes English Language Supplies Ltd, Customer Service Manager, 456 Learning Street, London, blah blah blah. Like left below the date, it specifies the exact target, showing professionalism and research into the supplier. And then solution. Dear Customer Service Manager, start the body formally. It addresses the recipient politely, setting a respectful tone for the request. And then subject line. The subject, request for catalog, price list, and sample English teaching materials, flows immediately. It summarizes the purpose concisely, allowing quick identification of the letter's intent. And then opening paragraph, the files. And then opening paragraph. I'm writing on behalf of SMP Minhajul Rasyidin, an Indonesian junior high school, to inquire about your English teaching material suitable for first year student age 12 to 13. We are particularly interested in grammar research covering topics such as diaries and lera, including workbooks, flashcards, and interactive games to enhance classroom engagement. This introduces the context, school background, and specific needs, building relevance for the request. And then body paragraph. Could you please send us your latest catalog, the title list, and samples of recommended books or tables? Additionally, information on payment terms, shipping to Indonesia, and minimum order quantities would be greatly appreciated. It clearly lists items requested, catalog, price, sample, and additional details, making the ask specific and actionable to prompt a response. Closing paragraph. We aim to place regular orders if the materials meet our curriculum standard and budget. Thank you for your prompt attention to this request. We look forward to your reply and potential paragraph. We aim to place regular orders if the materials meet our curriculum standard and budget. Thank you for your prompt attention to this request. Look forward to your reply and potential partnership. This expresses future intent, gratitude, and anticipation, encouraging partnership and positive reply. And the last, closing, solution, and signature. Yours sincerely, followed by your full name, English teacher, SMP Menaju Rashidin, phone, email. Provides a formal sign off with repeated context. It reinforces identity and accessibility for follow. Thank you. This is my request letter.